spend the weekend with me while I get my monthly maintenance done. First up is my hair. I already have a sew-in, so I'm just coming to get retightened and restyled. Not really doing anything fancy this time. Last time I had a bunch of curls. Today I'm just doing a flat iron. And this is the results of that. Every time I go and get my hair done, I love it because I'm literally in and out. Like, it's never an all-day thing. I literally have the rest of the day to do whatever I want. So yeah, now that the hair is done, I'm just checking it out in the mirror, just, checking the blend. At the beginning of the year, I actually made a promise to myself that I was going to keep up with all of my maintenance. And it just really helps with my self-esteem and to help me have a better day. So whatever helps me have a better day, I'm all for it. So I am keeping my hair done, my nails, my toes, my lashes, and that's just what makes me feel better about myself. When you look good, you feel good. And I know it's just a saying, but it's really not, because when you look good, it boosts your confidence. And when you have better confidence, you feel better about yourself. And it just helps you have a better transition through life. I really didn't expect to like my hair this much because, again, it's nothing fancy. It's just a flat iron. But I'm loving the straight hair. Like, it's been a long time since I've had a straight install, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of feeling it. So I'm looking forward to the different styles and things that I'll come up with. And now I'm just about to get ready to wrap it around my head, because I have to get up early in the morning. I have another appointment. We're going to be getting lashes, nails, and toes done. So it's a busy weekend, but we're going to get it all done. And again, this is just monthly maintenance that I do. I saw this little tip on TikTok so long ago, and ever since I saw it, I've been using it ever since. And it's basically, you just get a stocking cap and place it on your head and wrap your hair, tuck your hair all around in a circle with the stocking cap. It's just an easier way to wrap your hair. And everybody knows when you have bundles, and it's a fresh install, or even when you have a fresh silk press, it's difficult to wrap the hair because the hair is constantly falling down. So this kind of helps with that. You just tuck and go. It doesn't have to be pretty. I literally just tuck all my hair up under it, and then I swirl the stocking cap around maybe like once or either halfway, just to straighten out the hair. And literally, when you wake up in the morning, hair is falling off of the bone. And I'm just gonna use these makeup wipes and just get this makeup off of my face and get ready to chillax so I can start the day bright and early tomorrow. I'm really big on skincare, so I try to avoid possible breakouts. So that means not sleeping in makeup. Now, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Sometimes I'm tired, and like everybody else, I may say F it and sleep in the makeup. But the majority of the time, I do try to remove the makeup and cleanse my skin. And that's just to avoid future or possible breakouts from leaving the makeup on too long. And we're just going to speed this process up a little bit. It's nothing like going to sleep with a fresh face. So boom, it's the next day. And like I said, we're doing a triple appointment today. Liv is actually going to do my nails, my toes, and my lashes. And that's what I love about her, because it's literally like a one-stop shop. And these are my real nails. This is actually just an overlay, and I like to keep it simple. I'm either doing a French tip or a natural nude colored nail, such as you see. This stuff that she's putting into the pedicure bowl smells so good. It's like some type of tropical passion scent, but it literally had the whole room smelling like divine. Like literally, it smells like beachy, islandy. And the bubbles like were all tingling on my feet and stuff. It was really one of the best pedicures that I've had in a very long time. I'm not even gonna hold you. I pretty much get the same thing on my toes every time I get them done, and that is a French tip. I love how fresh and crisp it makes your feet look. So I never really change it up. If I do, it's a rarity. And if I do, like, again, it'll be like a soft pink or like some type of nudie color. But 98% of the time on my feet, you're going to see a French tip because I'm just that kind of girly. Now y'all see my girl Liv is giving the full package. I got the sugar scrub, and then this is actually the lotion and the hot towels. Everything was literally a 10 out of 10. Like, I love when it's that time of the month and it's time for me to go and get all my maintenance done, because literally I'm just a girl. My nails are already done. My feet are pretty much done as well. See, cute combo. Now it's time to get the lashes, but of course I didn't get to film that. As soon as I left my appointment, I had to run into Publix and grab a couple of items to get ready for the week so I can have something to eat for dinner, breakfast, and then pack my lunch and stuff for work. So just going through Publix, picking up a couple of little produce items, grabbing me a couple of things to make some salad out of, and I need to grab some juice and just some other little 1-2 items to get your girl through the week. I have found it easier to just shop strictly for the week because I've noticed that if I exceed like buying groceries past a week, like the food goes bad before I can even eat it. And as high as food is in this economy, we're going to keep it to a minimum. So I would rather just shop for the groceries weekly, get what I need, and know that the food is not going bad because I'm actually eating the food. So yeah, that's just my plan from here forth. That's what's been working for me lately. Y'all put in the comments, how often do you guys go grocery shopping? Because I know some people say they only go to the grocery store like once a month, and I can't do that because, yeah, all my food will spoil. Now I'm about to make my way to the front of the store so we can get out of here. And this is the haul once I made it back home. This weekend has been a lot of moving and grooving, and now your girl is on the couch rubbing her feet together. I will see you guys next week for the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.